On this week's episode of What I Eat in a Day on a Weight Loss Plan, keep in mind my weight loss plan is a high protein, low calorie, nutrient dense plan. Starting strong, I have here 3 over hard eggs, 50 grams of avocado, 2 small protein pancakes, and about a quarter of a cup of frozen blueberries that are now thawed out. As I always say, when you cook your meals, especially when you're making eggs like this, use spray oil in a non-stick pan. If you don't have spray oil, that's fine. Use about 1 teaspoon to half a tablespoon of oil. That's enough for you. Cooking with too much oil can easily push you out of a low-calorie plan, so you don't want to do that. For lunch here, this is my typical lunch. I eat this almost every day because I love rice. So here I have about a cup of rice mixed with some veggies and shrimp. And I have about 1.5 to 2 cups of salad. And I have 200 grams of codfish. I air fried the codfish. Usually I use salmon, cod, or haddock, mostly salmon. The fish alone has about 40 grams of protein, not including the protein in the rice because of the shrimp that I added. Oh, and that reminds me, when I said 1 cup of rice, I don't mean raw cup. So don't cook a whole cup of rice and then eat it all. No. So after cooking, you measure the rice. All right. And another tip here, try not to use dressing for your salad. And if you want to use any dressing at all, make yours or use a low-calorie dressing. All right. So again, you don't want to eat a high-calorie meal just because of simple things like oils and dressings. After eating my heavy meal of the day, I like to drink coffee or teas. A simple hack to feel lighter after meals is to drink black coffee. Do not add any creamer or sugar or milk to it. It helps you with your digestion. So I'm going to give you some importance of drinking coffee daily, either with your meals or not. 1, it speeds up your fat burning rate by up to 29%. Studies have shown. So I'm not just saying this, it's a fact. It boosts your metabolism, it suppresses your appetite, it improves your insulin sensitivity and helps prevent diabetes. It boosts your energy and mood. All these things are very important when you're trying to live a healthy lifestyle, especially if you're trying to lose weight. Now, if you cannot handle caffeine, then I wouldn't recommend that you take coffee. And I don't know how decaffeinated works, so I'm not going to say what I don't know. Now to my dinner. Yeah, I know it's boring, it looks boring, but it does the job for me, so I don't care. So I have here 150 grams of chicken breast, 2 cups of steamed and seasoned green beans, and 100 grams of apple. Yeah, I measured everything. If you're trying to lose weight and you don't want to do any guesswork, you want to know exactly what you're eating, you cannot run away from measuring. Your kitchen scale is your best friend, and your measuring cups and spoons. The chicken breast alone contains about 47 grams of protein. Yes, it's that high in protein. I have a nightly ritual that I do. I cannot go to bed if I'm at home and not away on a trip without drinking my teas. Most especially my favorite green tea. So here I'm boiling my water for my tea, and I'm going to talk a little bit about teas. Indulge me here a little bit, okay? Number one question that I get about my teas, especially my green tea, people ask me, what brand do I like? I should recommend a good brand for them. And I tell them all the time, I am not loyal to any brand in terms of teas. So for my green tea, either it is Tetley or Lipton or a random brand, I don't care. As long as it is pure and organic and it doesn't contain any additional flavor or it's 0 calories, then I'm good. And all you need to do is boil your water, pour it in your cup, drop your tea bag, let it steep for about 5 minutes, and you drink it. But I should also let you know, for me personally, I very rarely drink my tea just like that. I like to add something to it. Not sugar, not creamer, not milk, none of that. What I add to my tea most of the time, I add lemon. Sometimes I do add other things like ginger, cinnamon, turmeric, sometimes all of the above to my teas. Somebody in one of my previous videos, no, not one person, multiple people complained about not sleeping well when I said that it's important to sleep well if you're trying to lose weight. And so, yes, for those people, I actually responded to the comments already, but I'm saying it here for the benefits of those listening to me for the first time. So, if you're having issues with sleep and you're trying to live a healthy lifestyle, especially if you're dealing with weight gain and all of that, try to drink chamomile tea. Chamomile tea at night before you go to bed. It helps. Now, here I'm just showing you that I have several types of teas, several brands, and they're all herbal teas, all 0 calories. I recently discovered this tea at a store and I quickly grabbed it. It contains apple cinnamon, turmeric, and vitamin C, and I'm like, sign me up. And it's 0 calories, The same day I found this chai tea and I took it. Love, love, love the flavor. Yeah, I'm going to keep buying it. Herbal teas in general offer a lot of health benefits, such that even if you're not trying to lose weight, like currently I'm not trying to lose weight. My weight loss journey ended years ago, but I find it that every single day, if I don't drink, I don't think there's a day that goes by without me drinking teas. Even if I'm away, I'm not home, I'm on a trip. Most herbal teas contain antioxidants. They help slow down aging process and protect our cells from damage. So you want to try different teas like green tea, black tea, hibiscus tea, peppermint tea, ginger tea, turmeric tea. There are tons of teas that you can try. I can't finish this video without sharing the supplements that I take on the weight loss plan. So I take omega-3 fish oil and vitamin D. These two supplements are important, especially if you're over 40. I also take liquid collagen because it's great for our skin health, hair, nails, joints, and gut health. The brand that I've been using for years now is called Spoiled Child. No, I'm not. This video is not sponsored by any brand. I'm just telling you everything that I take, eat and drink. Again, if you're a woman over 40, you should be taking liquid collagen. And that's all. I know it's a very detailed video. I just wanted to make sure I shared everything that I eat, drink, take in a day. Now, I'm going to be sharing videos like this every week to help those of you who are just starting your journey or who are still on your weight loss journey. I want to see every one of us win. If this video has helped you in any way, please like and drop a comment below. Let me know what part of it you loved and share with your loved ones who may find value in it as well. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to see more videos like this from me. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy. Bye.